God sent His Son Jesus, who was free of sin, pure as this sugar, from heaven to be with people like you and me, so that we can together have everlasting life. Jesus was pure and so sweet, like this marshmallow, yet people didn't believe that He was the Son of God. People made Him die on the cross. So He took all of our sins onto Himself, just like this marshmallow rolling in that oily butter, so that our sins didn't get in the way of us and God. After His death, Jesus' friends came with a mix of oil and spices to prepare His body to be buried. They wrapped Jesus with special cloths and laid Him in a big tomb like a cave. Soldiers came and rolled a heavy rock in front of the tomb, way heavier than this roll, so no one could get in or out. They also stayed there day and night to guard it. But a miracle happened. Jesus came back to life and defeated death. When His friends went to visit on the third day, the tomb was open, and everyone was surprised. The cloths were there, but His body had disappeared. The tomb was empty, and there were angels sent from God to deliver a message to Jesus' friends. Fear not, for Jesus is alive. He is risen.